guys. I don't know, it look like probably missed my flight today. The rain started coming down, guys. So the rain kind of stopped now, so go down and catch the ride and see if I can catch my flight, guys. Yeah.
You want daughter, come here, say watch me brother. My brother afraid of you can't mind. Me no married enough. If me ever worry, the first part again. Hey, you let me tell you, cause me that tell you how me love brownie like leave. My brother married, you not married. If me ever worry precious, I tell you like that cause me body get quick. You say, me no want you ever say me that tell you one, me that say. So you want, hey, hey, come here, precious, come check me, got look at this. And I chuck again, I run, walk on second day, this. If you ever run that them brown body, you have chat iron, you want to iron, you want him. Maybe I him, top. You know, see me that work out. Me that work out power road. Look how me think, you think I ain't alone, tip, though. Hey, you think I ain't alone, look how me chest precious, look at. You feel iron body, me got body to look at. That you get sexy time I got gym for 5 o'clock. Look for me to come in and walk on the big road. I see for me gym over TikTok, yeah. Oh.
So guys, this is the staircase or the step that we were working on. You can see they have to cut out the decking about 3 feet. Yeah. Alright, you know, see me flying out today. It's alright, man. Alright. Yeah. You did a good job, guys. The reason why it's like this, guys, while we were casting, rain was falling. So the rain beat on it. Yeah. The rain beat on it, guys. Oh, you gonna miss me, girl, brownie. Alright. Yeah. That is it, guys. Yeah, that is it right there. Yeah. So we're gonna continue it. We got the rest of material down there. We got a couple more bags of cement. So they're gonna finish it up today, but I have to go today, so they're gonna use up the remainder of the cement to finish it up and then send photos to me. Yeah, but apart from that, guys, the thing is good. I'm happy with the progress, happy the way we turn out. Yeah, so that rain fall on it same time we cast it out, guys. Yeah, that's why it's like that. Yeah. It is good. It's good. You walk on steps now. Eh? You're walking on the stairs. Okay. Alright. Alright. You're good? What are you thinking about now? Yeah, I got to go, okay? I gotta go back to my family in the state. I gotta go back to work. I'll see you next time, man, okay? Alex and Max be asking about you guys. I'm just sorry that they weren't able to see you guys. But they will see the videos. Alright? Tell them hi. Say hi, Max and Ali. Hi, guys. Alright, Brownie. We gotta go, okay? Bye. Yeah, guys. Yeah. After they finish work, I'm gonna let them take up the barrels then and put them back in storage. Yeah. I brought up 2, 3 down there. They're gonna use out the water and then let them bring them back up. Alright. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna see if we can get ourselves sorted out. That is the The way over there, that's where we're going, guys. That's the airport over there. Yeah. See, we can zoom it up a little bit more. Yeah. That's Donald Sangster International Airport right there. That's where we're going. Yeah. So you got sea wind down there. And down there is where they call Lagoon. And down there is the Montego Bay Freeport, or down by the wharf, where they always giving me trouble down there, man. Oh my God, crazy. Those guys down there, they want to take every dime from you down there. Down by the wharf, and that's the bottom road. You're gonna take the bottom road, and then you're gonna go out, yeah? And that's the airport right out there. So that's where I'm going this morning to grab my flight to go back to the state, yeah? So let's see how this thing work out, guys. Comes the rain, guys, and hopefully God spare life, we can come back to finish up the driveway and do some more additional stuff. Yeah, I already packed up the furniture them and everything, and everything sorted out. Here the rain, guys, pure rain. I am supposed to be catching my flight today. Yeah, supposed to be catching my flight, and rain catch me up in the hills. Wow. And that's something. Yeah. One more time, guys. Got to go back home now. We did a lot. My wife is happy with the staircase or the step. She's really happy about it. The rain is falling hard. Hard in the city. Hard in the city, guys. The rain is pelting. Hard. Rainy morning up in the hills, guys. Rainy, 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 rainy. Rainy morning, rainy early morning up in the hills. I can hardly see Montego Bay. Montego Bay blackout. Blackout. So guys, just chill out the bill of vibes. And man, the rain up pelt. You hear that? You hear that, viewers? The rain is falling like crazy. So guys, thanks one more time for tuning into the channel. Thanks for tuning in from wherever you are across the globe. Wow, the rain is falling. Wow. Holy for rain are falling, guys. Holy for rain. And this is because I am right at the front on the mountain. Like the breeze just blowing it in. Yeah. Serious, brother. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. The rain is wet up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. I made the rain now wet up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up because I made the rain now wet up. Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at the rain, man. Holy for rain, not enough for us. Holy for rain. Yeah. You alright? Today me leave, you know. Come here, Brownie. Come here. Today me leave out, you know. Yeah? So, me see you soon again, alright? So you take care of the property. Alright? Yeah? And you take care of the property. Alright? Make sure to keep an eye on the workers them too. Make sure to them work, you know. Yeah, dark brownie and light brownie. Keep an eye on the workers then, yeah? So if they're not working, call me. Alright? You hear what I say? Okay. So, we'll just take it easy and take care of yourself. Alright? This is it right here. Hey, see you guys later, okay? Take it easy now. Brownies. Brownie. Hey, see you later, alright? You take it easy. Don't come out in the rain, man. You don't have to come out in the rain, alright? Take it easy. Later. Alright? Bye. So this is the staircase, guys, that we work on. Yeah, the same day that we recasting it, rain was falling. Yeah, it's good. You just come, no man, go on up back in the yard, Brownie. Go on back up. Go back up in the yard. Go on. Yeah. See you later. Nice. They got to bring these guys back up in the yard after they finish them because they got to use up this rest of material. Yeah. This is the road, guys. This is the road that we worked on. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice. So the rain kind of stopped now, so go down and catch the ride and see if I can catch my flight, guys. Yeah. So see you later, guys, when we jump on the drive, alright? So guys, I reached the airport. I'm gonna see if I can get something to eat because I am seriously hungry. Then at Sangster International Airport, and what they call it today? Today is what? Wednesday? Raining outside. But before I go on board, guys, I'm gonna have to get something to eat. I am hungry. Hungry, guys, hungry. I seriously thought that I would have missed my flight, but I didn't. So I had to walk come down the hill. My brother picked me up. So we're just gonna grab something to eat, chill out a couple minutes, and then go to our gate. This is Wendy's line right here. Yeah, unbelievable. This is a fast food line, guys. Wow. What a bam bam. Yes. So guys, we got something to eat. see if we can find our gate, guys. But anyway, guys, I didn't feel like no party, so I grabbed a Wendy's. Want to know why Wendy's at Donald Sangster International Airport at 11 o'clock run out of fries and chicken tenders? Crazy. So I'm almost at my gate. See if we find me gate. Gate 5. I hit that. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going back to my family in the States.